Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you guys for tuning in. And today we're going to have an opposition view. We're going to speak with someone from Serbia and someone that covers the Serbia national team, so we can get a better idea of what we should look for and what we might likely to see against Serbia. We'll get into details such as the team, formation, system, also the idea of the coach, who's the coach, what the coach is about, and the star players that we should look out for. But definitely, people, first of all, English is not their first language, so bear with Football Star TV for the explanation and how we broke down the football analysis of the team in itself. But people, please hit the like button if you like this content and subscribe if you're new to the channel. A lot of respect. This is the Military Guna TV, building a strong fan base here and a great platform for football and analytical shows. But people, listening to Football Star TV, and hopefully you guys can learn something and see what he has to say.
Hi man, like I promised, I made a video for you, a video about my national team, Serbian national team. So you have 5 questions for me, so that's it. First question, some word about me. My name is Marko. I have a YouTube channel about Serbian football, Serbian league, Serbian national team. That's it. It's not something special. Start like a funny, like a party, but after few 2 or 3 years become a very good channel, and I have a 13,000 subscribers or some and maybe more. So second question is how is the Serbian World Cup qualifier campaign going so far? Start very well. I'm not concerned because we have a new coach, Dragan Stojkovic Pixi. That's a second or third question. Dragan Stojkovic Pixi was a top class player before 20 years. Now he have experience in the China and Japan. He have 3 clubs in his career. He was a coach 3 teams in his career, so he have some experience, but he have a very good attitude. That's the main problem our national team. We have a good players, we have a quality players from Real Madrid, Lazio, Manchester United, but we don't have a chemistry in the team. We play against Scotland for a qualifying match for Euro, but we lose in our stadium on the penalty. And we know what happened because we have a very good team. I don't know how many times better than Scotland, but in this game we don't have energy, we don't have a passion, and we lose that game, and that's the problem. But I think Dragan Stojkovic Pixi have been changed that because he have energy, he have a charisma, and that may be a good thing for us. We in 3 matches we won 7 points. That's very good. Portugal is the big favorite in our group, but we hope that in the next few games we can win some big important point. And yes, in the history we qualified for World Cup, but we have a problem with Euro. I don't know how, because it's easiest way to qualify on the Euro. You asked me for a style, formation, system, our national team, and I don't have an answer for you because Dragan Stojkovic Pixi was on the only 3 game in national team, and we try to find system and find formation. We have a big problem with right back because we don't have a right back. I don't know how, because we have a player 3-4 player on all positions, but that position is very problematic for a national team, and he tried to find some right back, or if he can't find right back, maybe change formation. In the last cycles, Ljubiša Tumbaković have a system with 3 central back, without back, with wing back, and we have two very good wing back, Kostic and Lazovic. Kostic left, Lazovic right, very attacking speciality for both player, and maybe that's a future for our team. But I don't know, that's the question for Dragan Stojković Pixi to try some players, to give him a chance to prove that he have a quality for a national team. So result is not first, is the main goal for that's two match, but a player who will play in that's two match have a very good motive to prove Dragan Stojković Pixi to have a quality. So that's it. Score prediction, I don't know. I think I'm optimistic. I don't know to predict results. So that's it. Sorry for my English. That's the best way to make this video. So that's it. Thank you very much. So if you have one more question, please send me. Bye.
Thank you, Football Star TV, for coming on and explaining to us what we should look out for and what also the Serbia team has to bring forward to this friendly. Hopefully you are okay, and as I said, thank you for coming on, and a lot of respect for doing this. We know that English is not your first language, but you did really well, and you break down a lot of things. I learned a lot about the Serbia team, so thank you again. And people, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy that show. A lot of respect to everyone who tuned in. Just hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're new. This is Military Guna TV. I am out.